You're probably throwing away the best dog supplements every single day. That leftover egg, the skin on that salmon, the pumpkin you only use once a year? Yeah, those. Today we're breaking down 22 human foods that dogs can actually eat and how they can save you money on vet bills when used properly. No trends, no nonsense, just food you already own. Let's go. 1. The superfoods high-impact, high-retention fish. No, dogs weren't catching fish in the wild. Cartoons lied. But cooked salmon, sardines, or tuna once a week can noticeably improve coat shine, heart health, and brain function thanks to omega-3s. Important reality check. Never serve raw fish. It can carry parasites that cause salmon poisoning disease, which is as bad as it sounds. Cook to 145-degree fish. Remove all bones. Keep portions small. Now it's a superfood, not a problem. Eggs. Eggs are basically nature's protein multivitamin, but raw egg whites contain avidin, which blocks biotin and can mess with skin and coat health. Solution? Just cook them, scrambled or boiled once a week. No butter, no seasoning. Easy win. Blueberries. Yes, blueberries are a legit canine superfood. They're packed with antioxidants that may help slow brain aging in senior dogs. Bonus, dogs love them. Freeze them, and you've got instant training treats that don't cost supplement money. 2. The stomach savers, vet-approved fixes. Pumpkin is the quiet hero of dog digestion. The soluble fiber helps with both diarrhea and constipation, which honestly feels unfairly efficient. Use plain pumpkin puree only, not pie filling unless you want sugar and spice chaos. Rice plain white rice is a vet classic for upset stomachs. Cook it soft, pair it with boiled chicken and use it short term. Great for recovery days, not a forever diet unless your vet says so. Plain yogurt. Plain unsweetened yogurt can support gut health thanks to probiotics. Greek yogurt works best since it's lower in lactose. And please, never use flavored or sugar-free yogurt. Xylitol is fatal to dogs. Always check labels. Quick question. Which of these fruits is toxic to dogs? A. Grapes. B. Bananas. C. Apples. If you said A. Grapes, you're right. Grapes can cause kidney failure. Never feed them. Alright, back to the good stuff. 3. Wait, they can eat that. Watermelon is 92% water, which makes it perfect for hot days. Seedless only. Never serve the rind unless you enjoy digestive drama. Cooked shrimp provide vitamin B12, phosphorus, and antioxidants. Always cook fully and remove shells and tails. 1 or 2 small shrimp a week is plenty. Raw shrimp? Hard no. Apples. Apples are low-calorie, high-fiber, and great for dogs watching their weight. Remove the core and all seeds. Apple seeds release cyanide compounds when chewed. Not worth gambling on that one. 4. Joint and heart protectors. Bone broth secret hack. This might be the most expensive dog supplement you can make for free. Homemade bone broth, simmered for about 12 hours, releases glucosamine and chondroitin, which support joints and mobility. Serve a few tablespoons warm. Make it yourself. Store-bought versions often sneak in onion, garlic, or way too much sodium. Freeze it in ice cubes and you've basically meal prepped joint support. Sardines in water. Sardines are omega-3 powerhouses. They reduce inflammation, support joints, and boost immunity. Always choose water-packed, never oil or brine. 1 small sardine twice a week does the job. Chicken hearts. Chicken hearts are rich in taurine, which supports heart health. Cook to 165 degrees Celsius, chop for smaller dogs, and serve occasionally. High nutrition, low cost. We respect efficiency. 5. Weight and everyday support. Green beans, the diet pill. If your dog is slightly chubby, this is the #1 vet trick. Green beans are low-calorie, filling, and nutritious. You can replace part of their kibble with green beans so they lose weight without feeling hungry. Use fresh or frozen, never canned. Carrots. Carrots offer beta-carotene, fiber, and natural tooth-cleaning crunch. Cut into bite-sized pieces to avoid choking. Raw or lightly steamed both work, and they're way cheaper than dental chews. Spinach packs vitamins A, C, and K, plus iron and calcium. A few steamed leaves occasionally can support immune health. If your dog has a history of kidney stones, go easy. Spinach contains oxalates. When unsure, ask your vet. Simple. Final add-ins that are small but powerful. Oatmeal, great for digestion and skin health. Cook with water only, no sugar, no milk, no extras. 1 tablespoon weekly is enough. Bananas safe, potassium-rich but sugary. A few slices once a week. Diabetic dogs, skip entirely. Liver, extremely nutrient-dense, powerful but potent. A thumbnail-sized cooked piece once a week boosts energy and immunity. Too much causes vitamin A toxicity, so moderation matters. Coconut oil, an accessible swap, is easier to find than goat's milk and widely used. Small amounts can support skin and coat health. Start tiny. Too much can upset your dog's digestion. Now you know 22 human foods that can genuinely support your dog's health, from digestion and joints to weight and brain function. The rule is always the same: moderation and proper preparation. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Furever Friends, and turn on notifications for more evidence-based dog care. Lastly, comment which food surprised you most and drop your dog's name below so we can say hi to the real stars of the channel. If someone you know shares table scraps without knowing the rules, send them this video. It might actually change a dog's life.